Okay, so today I'm gonna be trying to do body work on my car because I hit a column backing up and I made a couple dents on the rear, and I'm gonna show you what I did. So this is the first one. This is also the biggest one. As you can see in the trunk door, it's all this dent. Now here we have the second one. This is actually the worst one because it has the weirdest shape, so it's not gonna be easy to repair. And the last one is this one. This is behind the rear bumper. And the problem with this one, this is not visual because you cannot see this one from the exterior when it's with the protection, the bumper on. But the problem with this one is that if you see from the interior, this goes in, so the pieces that goes here cannot fit no longer. So basically my plan is to try to body work and trying to hammer this section here, and hopefully it goes out so I can fit again the pieces that goes in the interior of the trunk. For this one, which is the weirdest or the hardest one, I'm gonna try to get it kind of like flush again, or the best that I can do. And for the trunk door, I may change it because it's like 80 bucks on the junkyard. But before changing it, I'm gonna try to also smash it and see if I can get it kind of into shape, so I could also add filler later. But I will see how it goes with the first one. Also, I have to say that this is my first time doing this kind of job. I haven't ever done nothing similar to body work on a car or anything actually. So I don't know what is gonna happen. I'm just gonna try my best and hope for the best results. That's actually everything that I can say. So wish me luck. So these are gonna be my tools. Rubber hammer and a chop of wood to hit it with. Let's go ahead and hope for the best.
Warriors around, don't get caught in the mosh pit. Fuel to the fire, ain't nobody can stop it. Trouble in my city, but you know I'm across it. Got a 40 on my hip and I'm liable to spark it. Throw down these hits, my click is indivisible. I aim, you duck, I squeeze, now you invisible. I'm not afraid of getting physical. All these different chemicals are fogging up my visuals. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Yo, we notorious, we ain't no runners. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Yo, we some warriors, they ain't called gunners.
So honestly, it's not going as bad as I thought. Here is the damaged part, and it's kind of like getting flush again. Obviously, not as good as the good one. This is how it is supposed to be. I'm not gonna be able to get this shape, but as long as I can get it as the other part, I will be able to fit again the pieces that goes in the interior. Okay, so a little update. I switched to an iron hammer because the rubber one is just a waste of time. It doesn't hit hard enough, or I don't know if it doesn't transfer the energy or something, but it's a waste of time. So I switched to a normal iron hammer. I'm gonna show you now a little update. So from the inside, you can see that now it's kinda starting to get the shape that I wanted, and it's kinda pushing back to its normal place. So that's what I wanted. Obviously it's not like it should be, it's not like the original shape, but I think I'm gonna try the trim piece. So today is day 2 of the process. Last day I ran out of battery, but the only thing that I didn't film was me trying the trim piece of the trunk, and it wasn't fitting still, so I gotta keep working it out. And the first thing that I'm gonna be doing today is cutting up the wood piece, because I learned from the other day that this is too big to be working with, so I'm gonna cut it up. Okay, so after a lot of smashing, it hasn't got much better, but for sure I have made some progress. This is what I managed to get to it. So as you can see, it's for sure noticeable that it's being a little bit pushed out, at least. So you can see now a little bit of cracks. This is because it's being pushed out from the interior to the outside. So I have done something, but I think with just a hammer and a chop of wood you can do much better. You cannot do much more, just hitting it from the inside. So what I'm gonna do is just put it all back together and see how it is, and if it is just kind of decent, I'm gonna leave it like that, I think, because as I said, I'm pretty sure that I cannot do much more than what I've done already. So let's see how it is.
My hands got slugs on my gunners. Slugs on my hands got slugs on my gunners. Put on my strap, put on the beat, put on the map, put on my team, take out every motherfucker in between. Know what I mean? Better my stealth, better my aim, better my rap, better my name. Killing rappers on my hang, I'm by their chains for the fame. Never thought I would it, now I'm running this. You don't wanna follow me, I'm in front of this. I ran in the trouble with the troops, trying to get it what it does. Battling and I ain't never lose. We some motherfucking warriors.
So it doesn't fit yet, but what I wanna check now is this. This clearance here is like a finger more or less, and when you go to the right side you have way less. So it's not even hitting in the wall. So maybe it's just a problem from the piece and not from the wall. And that's what I wanna check now. Okay, so what I've checked is that this is the main problem. This is the part of the problem. This section right here is what doesn't allow me to fit the piece in the interior. Is what is hitting the piece on the interior. So this is the main zone that I have to push out. For now I'm gonna be trying to hit it more and see if I can push it a little bit more out. Quick update. I passed from the wood and now I'm hitting the metal straight with the hammer, and it's working way much better. So now I actually think that I can make it happen. I think that I'm gonna be able to make it fit again as it is supposed to. And the only problem is that this is the only hammer that I have, is a regular normal one. If I have one of those of the body shops that has like a circular shape to hit with, it will be much easier, but I don't have any of those, so I gotta work with this normal one. But I may have to buy one of those for another occasion, or even for the other dents, because it will be much better. Okay, so I think I got it, because I'm gonna show you how it fits right now. If you see here, you see almost the same thing, more clearance here than here, but the problem is that I can push this a lot in. But the problem is that since this piece is broken because of the impact, it doesn't stay like that for itself. So I think the only thing that I have to do is order a new piece, order a new one of these. It should be good. So for now, that's all that I'm gonna do. Just try to find one online and order it, and when I get it, I will try it out and show you what's the result. So until then, I think I'm done.